Hi friends, it's Barry, and today I want to show you how to solve this maths problem. So, what is the area of the region inside the quadrilateral PQRS? So a quadrilateral just means a four-sided shape, okay? So let's try this. So immediately I see a right angle here. So let's try to connect the points P and R like that, okay? So now that becomes a right-angled triangle, okay? With size 4 and 3. So let's say the hypotenuse is h, then we can use the Pythagoras theorem to find its side. So that is 25. H squared is 25. And so that side has length 5. So now we also see that this angle here is another right-angled triangle. We know this to be true if we add 5 squared plus 12 squared. That would give us 169, which is 13 squared. So 13 squared is 13 here. 13 squared is just the square root of the hypotenuse PQ. Okay. So now that we know this to be a right-angled triangle, we can find the area of PQRS by first finding the area of the triangle ERQ, and then we take away the area of the triangle PSR, like that. That would give us the area of the quadrilateral PQRS. So let's find the area of PRQ first. So PRQ has base 12 and then height 5. Okay. Always remember to divide by 2 in the front, and then we minus a half times the base is 4. Oops, the base is 4 and the height is 3. So 12 divided by 2 is 6. 6 times 5 is 30. Then minus 4 divided by 2 is 2. 2 times 3 is 6. So 30 minus 6, and the area is 24. So the area of the quadrilateral is 24. And that's our answer. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you learned something new, please comment, like, and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.